Hi everyone, it's Rachel and I'm here sharing with you the scrapbookingstore.com kit club for February 2020. This month we are dreaming of spring with, Ms. Xanthi's joining us. We are dreaming with spring with Carta Bella's flower market. So I'm super psyched to get this. It is so super pretty and delicate and fun, and I've already gone through some of my photos to pull some things for layouts I know I want to make with this line. So the main kit is the collection kit, which includes 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then once I share these with you, I will share the embellishment upgrade. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the first paper, which is this gorgeous watercolory floral piece. The B side is a cream and black stripe, and this piece of paper is called Flower Market Floral. Next up, we have 3x4 cut aparts, and they are both vertical and horizontal. And the B side of this is a very delicate pink and cream tone on tone, and is called 3x4 journaling cards. Next, we have this really cute icon watercolory page. Everything is cream based, all the backgrounds. So this one has the ubiquitous truck with the basket of flowers and bouquets and watering cans. The B side is this tone on tone light and medium aqua graphic-y print of swirls, and it's called Market Days. Next up, we have these embroidery hoops filled with different words and icons. The B side of this is a lovely wood grain in a paneling look, and it is called embroidery hoops. Next up, we have another cut apart sheet. This one a mix of 3x4s and 4x6s, some journaling, some that could definitely be used for embellishments with fussy cutting. The B side is this red, but it's not like a super duper red. It's red with just a touch of pink in it. It's called multi journaling cards, and then as I said, the gingham is the B side. Next up, we have these super cute boxes and planters of flowers on a pink and cream stripe background. The B side is a pink and pink, obviously two different tones, vertical or horizontal stripe, and this one is called Planted Flowers. Following that, we have another floral, this one a slightly larger scale. The B side of this is the pink and cream stripes that slightly enlarge, just like very tiny bit of the planted flowers piece just on its own, and it's called Garden Floral. We then have a page of 2x2s. These are great, not just for scrapbooking pages, but for really easy spring cards, because you just pop some paper and one of these on a card and you are good to go. Really sweet and simple. And then this B side is, this is really pretty, with these bouquets of flowers in shades of pink on a pink background. And the pink background is very, not like a watercolor, but just, it looks like it's ink blended. You know, like if you take two different shades of pink and ink blend it, that's what this paper looks like. And it is called 2x2 squares. Next up, we have this super cute, more canisters and planters and baskets of flowers. The B side is a tone on tone in a medium pink and then a deep pink micro dot, and it's called Market Shop. We then have the farm truck filled with flowers in a lovely aqua or light teal, depending on what you prefer to call it, color. And then the B side is a black and cream gingham, and it's called Market Trucks. We then have this really sweet border piece of paper, which is always great to, if you want to build a layout where you have a shelf, grounding your photos. These are always wonderful to use. The B side of this, oh, this is lovely. The paper is called border strips, but this is, I love these corner florals. Oh, so pretty. An easy layout to make using that. All right, next up we have these baskets of flowers on the A side, and the B side are cream and aqua watercolory florals, and it is called Flower Baskets. It also happens to be our last piece of paper because now we are going to our 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, and it's filled with banners and embroidery hoops and flowers and really great spring themed things. So thinking ahead a couple months, it's actually not super cold right now, even though it's the end of January, but we do not have flowers growing. That is for darn sure. But this is just really, really pretty and springy and just really happy feeling, if that makes any sense. All right, give me a couple seconds and I will be back with the embellishment upgrade. All right, so there are 3 pieces to the embellishment upgrade that you can add to your Scrapbooking Store kit if you have a mind to subscribe. The first are these washi strips from Heidi Swap. There are 3 sets of strips, so 2 are just all strips, and then 1 are some strips as well as some flags and little shapes and things. And these are super cute, and I find these far more usable in set amounts rather than whole rolls of washi tape. The next are these Studio 112 dimensional stickers. Studio 112 is a subsidiary of K & Company, and all of them have different phrases along with pop dotted portions on top of tags. So those are very pretty. And then finally, we have from Bo Bunny Noteworthy this 37-piece set of die cuts, some of which are rather large, so they will be used as either backings for titles or layers, or maybe titles themselves, or layering pieces rather than all of them being used exactly as die cuts. So if you have any interest in subscribing to the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club or making a one-time purchase, all of the information for the online store is in the description box below, as is my affiliate link. So if you are interested in making a purchase, if you do it through the affiliate link, it doesn't cost you any more money. It just gives me a small commission. Thank you guys so much for joining me here for the unboxing of the February 2020 kit. I will be sure to have my first video up to you in just a couple of days, so look forward to that. And also, if you head on over to Instagram or to their Facebook group, we always put our projects up there as well. All right, everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.